Yuwell Portable Phlegm Suction Unit 7E-H1 Installation and Operation Procedure. Before installation and use, please confirm the following accessories are present. Operation Procedure. Connect one end of the filter hose to the negative pressure hole. Connect the other end of the filter to the air outlet. Insert the 2-meter-long suction hose into the liquid inlet of the liquid storage bottle. Connect the power cord. Connect the phlegm suction unit to a stable power supply. The power indicator lights up. Block the suction hose with your finger. Then turn on the power switch. Toggle the negative pressure regulating valve. Adjust according to clinical needs, and observe the value change of the negative pressure gauge at the same time. Turn the knob clockwise to increase the negative pressure, and counterclockwise to decrease the negative pressure. Insert the suction catheter in the 2-meter-long suction hose. Then conduct the suction operation. Adjust to proper pressure. Start aspiration of sputum. It can be used with the suction liner. Straighten the suction liner and put it into the canister. Fix the negative pressure drainage device and the canister, and stick the canister on the instrument. Connect the unfixed end of the hose on the upper cover to the interface in the middle of the canister. Insert the white suction hose into the unplugged end of the canister. Block the waste liquid inlet with your fingers. Switch on the instrument. Adjust the negative pressure. After releasing the fingers, suction liner will expand rapidly. Adjust the negative pressure and switch it off after the liquid storage bag expands. Insert the 2-meter suction hose into the waste port of the suction liner and start suctioning. Turn off the power after waste suction is complete. Unplug the suction hose. Then unplug the other end of the hose on the upper cover and buckle back the waste liquid inlet. Take out the suction liner filled with waste liquid. Precautions. The startup duration cannot exceed 30 minutes. The suction amount of phlegm should not exceed the highest liquid level scale. If the negative pressure is insufficient, please fasten the bottle cap and tube connector. Please operate under the guidance of qualified medical personnel. In case of any questions, please contact the supplier or manufacturer.